Hi everyone, welcome back to class. LSEG has starting the role Junior Data Scientist. Okay, and the last date is August 9. Okay, and if you look at the knowledge and skills that are required, extensive experience using Python or R or equivalent is needed. Proficient in using tools and libraries such as Scikit-learn, NumPy, Pandas, and Jupyter is mandatory. Solid relational database skills, solid understanding of statistics and statistical language such as R, ability to handle large quantities of data, narrate stories about their content and process by data analysis and visualization, strong written communication and presentation skills, and ability to respond and ability to present work to peers, senior management, and other stakeholders. And if you look at the qualification, higher education in statistics, mathematics, or engineering in computer science with data science certification plays a vital role to eligible for this role. Okay, and if you look at the responsibilities, there are many responsibilities that you need to go through, like design and implement end-to-end automation solutions using mentioned tools to optimize workflow and improve efficiency, extract insights from complex datasets, build interactive dashboards, and provide actionable recommendations to teams, develop, improve, and run quantitative models, and generate solutions through machine learning for code processes, work with business, content, and product groups for large scale analytics problems. So there are many responsibilities that you need to perform. So I will get you the link in the description box. So once you go through this particular link, you can easily able to apply. So this is all about today. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.